Welcome back to my YouTube channel. I hope you all are doing good and fit and healthy. Today I am here to share with you a recipe made from ragi, and it is called ragi dhokla. You can make this recipe within 15 minutes and serve it hot to your kids' family. Do give this recipe a try, and if you still haven't subscribed to my channel, please do. Let's begin with the ingredients. This is 2 bowls of ragi flour. This is ready-made flour. I got it from the market. This is half a tablespoon of sugar. This is til oil I have taken. You can take any oil of your choice. This is curry leaves. This is ginger and green chilies. I have grinded them in a fine paste. These are mustard seeds for tempering. This is eating soda. This is sesame seeds for tempering. This is hing. This is pepper powder, and this is rock salt. So let's begin with our recipe. We will take the ragi flour. Then we will add the ginger and green chili. Then we will add the pepper powder and salt. Then we will add the pinch of sugar. Now let's start pouring in water as required and make it into not a very thick but not a very thin consistency also. So go on pouring the water slowly. Now I have mixed all the ingredients properly. It should be like this, a flowing consistency. Now we will add the baking soda. And remember one thing, after adding the soda, we don't have to keep the batter for too long. So let's side by side grease our plates. Let's grease the steaming plate. Now let's pour in the batter. As you can see, I have poured the batter in the plate after greasing it. Now I'm just giving it a gentle tap, and now we will keep it in the steamer to steam for 15 minutes. I have kept this steamer kadai for now 10 minutes, and as you can see, the water inside is boiling. So now we will very carefully place our plates inside it. I am first placing, I had 2 plates. So I am first placing the empty plate. So I get a proper distance from the bottom of the kadai for my dhoklas. And I am plating my dhokla batter on this like this. And let's now cover it and keep it for 15 minutes. Now let's check on our dhoklas. It has been 15 minutes. I think they need 5 more minutes. Cover them for 5 minutes and wait. On our dhokla. The knife has come out clean, so they are done. Now we will remove them from the fire and pour the tempering on them. Prepare our tempering. I have poured the oil. We will add the mustard seeds and wait for them to splutter. As we can see, this mustard seeds have started spluttering. Now we can add our curry leaves and the green chili, and then we will add the sesame seeds and then little bit of hing, and our seasoning is ready to go on the dhokla. The tempering on the dhokla, and we will wait for 5 minutes, then we will serve them. Now let's cut them into equal equal pieces. And then we will serve them in a plate. So friends, the ragi dokla is ready and I have served it in the platter. You can have it with green chutney or tomato ketchup, and you can have any chutneys of your choice. Now let me show it how it looks after you break it open. So here it goes. It is nicely baked from inside. Now you can dip it in the tomato ketchup and enjoy the dokla with your tea, coffee. Anytime you can have the snacks. So friends, do like my video and do share it with your friends and family, and do comment in the comment section below how was your trial. I love to read your comments because they encourage me to experiment with such new recipes, and keep showering your love.